Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nawashek, and in this video I will explain VM editor from scratch, and we will do everything practically step by step. So make sure that you will watch this video till the end, because after this video you will feel confident about using VM editor. Now first, let us understand what is VI and VM editor. VI is a text editor that is available on almost every Linux system, and VIM is nothing but improved version of VI. In real-time production servers, many times you will not get Nano or any GUI editor, but VI or VIM editor is always be available on every Linux system. So that's why learning VIM editor is mandatory. Now let's move to the practical part. I will open a file using VIM, like VIM test.txt. Now observe carefully, if the file does not exist, VIM will create a new file. Like I have opened test.txt, this is a blank, means we are creating a new file. But what if the file is already exist? I will show you, like if I open practice.txt file. Now we are inside the VIM editor. Now this is very important. VI and VIM work on modes like command mode or insert mode. By default, VIM opens in command mode. In command mode, you cannot type anything. Now, for example, if I try to type something, then it will not work, because command mode is mainly used for navigation, copy, delete, or searching. Let me show you some examples. You can see my cursor at the beginning of this line, but if I press dollar, then it will go to the end of the line. And same, if I want to jump the last line of this file, then I will press Shift G. So you can see I have jumped on the last line of this file. And if you want to go the first line of this file, then just enter 1 and Shift G. Then you will go into the first line of this file. Like this, if you want to go any number of line, then you just have to enter that number and then press Shift G. Like if I want to go sixth line of this file, then I will press 6 and Shift G. Then you can see I am on the sixth line of this file. So this is how can we go to the particular line. Now we will see insert mode. If we want to type or edit text, then we need insert mode. To enter in insert mode, we have to enter I. Then you can see we are in the insert mode. Like we have entered I, so it will insert before this cursor, like I am Linux admin. But there are also other options are available. Like if you want to insert text on the new line, then you have to press O. Let me show you. First, I will press escape to come back to the command mode, and then I will enter small o, and then you can see my cursor is on the new line, and here you can write your new line, like I am a DevOps engineer. In the same way, if you want to insert a new line, not below of this line, but above of this line, then you have to enter Shift O. I will again press on escape to come back into the command mode. Then I will press Shift O. Then you can see my cursor is on the new line, but this line is above of this my previous line. Here you also can insert whatever text you want to insert. Insert the text. So we have seen how to enter the text or edit the line. Next we will see how to copy, paste and delete the line. So if you want to copy any line, then go to that line and then you just simply press double Y to copy that line, and if you want to paste that line anywhere, then just go to that line and enter P. Then you can see your line has been pasted here. So to copy a line, we use double Y, and to paste a line, we use P. In that same way, if you want to copy a multiple line, then go to that line, like I will copy this server list, server 1 and 2 only. Okay. So this is first line, this is second, and this is third. So and my cursor is here. I want to copy first 3 lines. So first I will enter 3, then I will press double Y, and then I will go to that line where I want to paste it. I will go here, then I will just simply press P, and then you can see I have pasted that copied line. But what if you want to copy a single line and want to paste multiple times? Then go to that line, like I will go to here, and then I want to copy this line. So I will press double Y, and then I will go to the line where I want to paste it. And if I want this line multiple times, like if I want to paste it for 10 times, then I will just enter 10, and then I will enter P, and you can see this line has been pasted for 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this way we can copy the line and paste it. Like we can copy a single line and can paste for a single time. We can copy a single line and can paste for a multiple times. And after that we will see how to delete that lines. If I want to delete any line, like if I want to delete this line, so I will just simply press double D, and you can see this line has been deleted from my file. But what if I have to delete a multiple lines? Like we have copied here that 10 lines. So now if I want to delete that lines, then I will just press 10 and then double D. And you can see that 10 lines has been deleted from my files. But what if I delete some lines mistakenly and now I want them back? We can see simply how to do undo. Then I just press U. Then you can see the lines which we have deleted recovered successfully. So this is how can we copy, paste, delete and undo in VIM editor. Now let's see how to search in VIM. This is very useful while checking logs or configuration files. If I want to search any word in this file, then I will just enter slash and will give that word. Like if I want to search server, then I will give server. Then you can see all the server word in this file is getting highlighted by yellow background. If I want to go to this word, then simply I will press on N. Then you can see my cursor is on here, and if I again press N, then I will go to this word. For that you can go into the insert mode, then you can move your cursor to end of this word, and then you can write whatever you want to write. Okay, so this is the way how can we jump to the next word. We have searched the words, but if we want to jump to the next matchable word, then we can just simply press N. So that way we can move our cursor to the next word. In that same way, if you want to move your cursor on the previous word, then you just have to press Shift and N. Then you can see we are in the previous word. If I try to insert something here, something. So this is the way how can we jump to the next or previous word. Next, we will see how to replace the word in VI. Suppose if I want to replace this DevOps word with the software. So this line will be I am a software engineer. For that I will enter escape to go back to the command mode. Then I will enter colon yes for search slash. First I will enter that word which I want to replace, which is DevOps. Then I will replace it with the software. Then you can see this DevOps word has been successfully replaced by software word. But what the same word are present multiple times in a single line, then how can you replace to them? Like the software word is here, and then again like I will enter here software. So now we will see how to replace this software word with other word. Like if I want to replace it with the cloud word, then I will go to the command mode by pressing escape. Then I will type colon and then yes for search, then slash, then the software word, and after that if I want to replace it with cloud, and then slash g for if the word is multiple times present in same line, then it will replace this both word in one command. I will just enter, then you can see. But what if the same word is present multiple times, it will be present across to the file. Now we will see this cloud word will be replaced by Ansible word. Now this time I want to replace all the cloud word which is present in this file. So for that I will type percentage yes, and then I will write the first word cloud. It will be get replaced by Ansible, and it will get globally. I will just click on enter, and you can see this word has been replaced Ansible, 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 and Ansible. So this is the way how can we replace the word in the file. And now finally let's see how to save and exit VIM. Like I have done some changes in this file. So if I want to save this, then I will just enter colon and W and click on enter button. Then all the changes I have made has been successfully saved in this file. And if I want to exit from this file, then just I will simply enter colon Q and then click on enter. We are exited from that file. But if you want to do the same thing in a single command, then go to that file and do some changes. Like I will write Jenkins, and then if I want to save these changes and also exit from this file, then I will write W and Q, and then I will press on enter, and then you can see we have saved and exit from that file in a single command. But what if you do some changes and don't want to save that? Like after Jenkins I have add Docker, but this time I don't want to save these changes into the file. Then I will just enter colon Q and exclamation. This time I will exit from this file without saving anything. If you want to verify it again that changes have not been saved into the file, then you can go to the file. Here we have write Docker, but that changes has not been saved. So today we have learned what is VIM, VIM modes like a insert or a command mode, and then we have also seen how to copy, paste and delete files, then how to search and replace to the word, and how to save and exit from the or quit from the file. Now comment and tell me which command you have learned for first time. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.